Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and let's talk about what is my today's topic. And what today's my topic is different. And my topic is that how to do our work with deeply and how to go in deep in your work. I think we all have this issue and we all want to know that how to solve this issue. But even I have no idea what I we all are doing and how to do this. But let's try how to explain it. Look, when you want to go a deep work, you don't need to make a one solid plan and one solid routine and you can say it one focus and one fixed schedule that demand for your doing best work. But it's not necessary. If you make a schedule that you have to stick with this and you have to follow your all routine, you have to wake up early morning at the 5 a.m. and you have to working continuously till the 7:30 p.m. But it's not required for it's not like a deep work. You are all you are already taking a challenge with mentally. It always disturb your all mental health. That is the reason all people are not doing it, because we all have a different describing about the deeply. One said that you have to deep work, that you don't need to you have don't need to go out and you have not do the other stuff. You only do your one step and stick with this type of strategy not going to work. I'm this type of strategy is not about to going work, because if you do your work properly in a one way, that it become a circle and your life becomes boring and your brain becomes so scared. You are to doing this, your brain say your brain begins to say that no, I can't do this, this is so boring, stay away from this. But it's always happening with your mind. So change this. If you look, if you have a time just in your spare time, then go in deeper. Look it, suppose that you have to write a one essay, then you have no time. If you have a spare time, then go and write and prepare your mind, that quickly go in deep work and quickly remind yourself that this is enough, I have to go to do another stuff. That is the fact we all need to follow. I have a I had a more illusion after some time, before some time, sorry for that. And then I'm trying to search this, how to go deep. It's not mean you have to do one step in the particular time and maybe it's more enough time, and you have to repeat it constantly, one two three one other after day. But it's not require a fully work, it's only required for only circles work. And your mind began to work frustrating, and your mind told you that no, I can't do this. So train your brain that no, I'm not like that. Don't made one scheduling for your deep work, made a scheduling that you can follow easily, and your mind prepare for easily to doing your all stuff. And divide your all stuff that will require if one stuff required a more deep depth work, then you have to do it in a spare time. Anywhere anytime you got a spare time, then you have to go and do what's happened, nothing. So this type of work make a significant in the long time. And if you want to go deep, then try it more and more. Let's see what happened. This is the life, and you can take a challenge with your life. What's happened, nothing. Sometimes you feel so lazy, sometimes you feel so stressed, frustrated, but then you have to take a rest, take your mind, keep your mind rest and feel relaxed, then come back to your work and then do nothing. So this is my today's topic about deep work, and we all need to understand this. Also, I also understanding this. I am also understanding this process. So it's good for everyone. Thank you.